Hello everyone, welcome to Plants Crochet Cooking and more. If you are a momo lover, then this recipe is going to be your all-time favorite. This recipe is Shaphaley. Now I'm going to make with chicken, so it is the chicken Shaphaley. You can even make it as a veg Shaphaley. It is also called Faley. So ingredients as I am showing you are also given at the end of the video. The exact amounts will be given in there. You can have a look later. Now first of all, I will start kneading the dough with the flour, a little salt and oil, the refined oil, and I'll make a dough which is soft. Now the first thing that I will do is I will mix this oil very well into the maida. Everything has to be incorporated very well. Only then your dough will become soft. Use lukewarm water a little at a time and then make a soft dough. Once you get the dough ready, you cover and keep it aside, and then you start preparing the filling. Heat mustard oil or any oil in a kadai and first fry the onions that have been chopped. You don't need to brown the onions, just let it change its color. Once the onions have just slightly changed the color or become soft, you add the chilies. I have used dalle. This is the red hot chilies. You can use any other green chilies, just chop them into small pieces. After this, I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. I will reserve a little for the chutney, and then when this is fried for some time, I'm going to add the minced chicken, and I'm going to fry till that time until you see the oil oozing out from the chicken pieces. Meanwhile, I will add the salt and the soya sauce. All the list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. Please check that out. If you all are having any queries regarding this recipe, if you all have any doubts, please feel free to write in the comment section. So after you see that the minced chicken has cooked properly, we'll keep this aside. You can even add coriander leaves if you have it at home. That adds to the taste. It is super easy to make the chutney as well. Just blanch 2 tomatoes and grind it with the ginger garlic paste that we had reserved earlier and some chilies. Here I've used the dalle itself, and then add a little bit of salt and just grind it to a paste. That is the chutney. Once the filling and the chutney is ready, we'll start making the shaphalys. Make small doughs out of the dough which we have made. Make small balls out of it. And then you start rolling it out into a flat circular disc, thinner at the circumference because we are going to fold it. And then once you have finished making 2 such discs, you put the filling in the middle, about 2 tablespoons for each, and then you keep the other disc on top of it and start folding the edges. I have shown it how to fold. You can just see it closely. It's not too difficult to fold it in this way. Remember to keep the circumference thin. We have a video in our channel about folding momo in a very easy way. The video is for momo, chutney and soup. You can have a look into that. And here in this case, when the oil is very hot, you will put the shaphaley in it and then lower the heat to medium and fry it till golden brown. Once the shaphaleys have been fried, you use a paper towel to remove the excess oil from the phaleys. The oil is hot. I'm going to put another shaphaley into the hot oil and then decrease the flame to a medium and fry it on both sides. The folded edges need to be completely fried, so that is the reason why you do it in a medium flame and not a high flame. This is done. The other one. In this way you will fry all the phaleys. I made 10 shaphalys out of this. You can decrease or increase the size, that is up to you, but this size you're going to get about 10 shaphalys. You can even make it with vegetables. I'll show you in some other video when I make veg shaphaley. So here they are ready to be served, and I know my daughter is just going to dive into it. She loves chicken shaphaley. See, I've just cut out one to show it to you. All you need to do is just put it into your mouth and munch the crispy chicken shaphaleys. Hope you liked our video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.